I used to have excess body fat that I could not get rid of. One reason why it was so hard for me to lose the jiggly love handles and excess body fat was because in order to have a sleek, lean, and chiseled physique year-round, I needed to understand how and why any diet works. I was missing the key principles of what was actually driving my results and progress. When it comes to fat loss, there are 3 principles that you need to understand. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what these 3 principles are and how you can apply them to yourself to lose weight and also how to keep it off for good. Principle 1, you must stabilize and control this special hormone called insulin. Insulin is the hormone that is responsible for your body storing fat. The first way to do this is by using a set feeding and fasting window. I recommend a fasting window of 18 hours, which means you are not eating. Then you want to consume all your foods within 6 hours. Within this 18-hour fasting window, your body will place the process of fat burning on autopilot, allowing you to consistently burn fat 24/7, 365. Now, you want to eat nutrient-dense foods within that 6-hour window. This is going to help you to actually stabilize and control insulin. And you'll find yourself upon waking having more stable blood sugars, which will keep your body in an environment to where you will not gain weight. Principle 2, you want to place yourself on a calorie deficit. A calorie deficit means that your body is burning more calories than you're eating. In my program, I help people find the exact number of calories that their body actually needs in order to be in a calorie deficit. Once you're in a calorie deficit, it helps your body to tap into the stored fats and mobilize that for energy. There is nothing magical about it, like a unicorn floating in a rainbow. It's just a simple strategy that, if consistently maintained, will not only allow you to stay in top shape, but will actually give you more room to actually enjoy the foods that you love without having the fear of blowing back up. Now, if you resist this fact, you will just end up back where you started, stuck and frustrated for a very long time. Now, in order to preserve your lean muscle mass, let's dive into principle number 3, which is your protein intake. In order to not lose muscle on a calorie deficit, you need to keep a high protein intake. Not getting enough protein is one of the common mistakes I see people making all the time. I recommend aiming for 1 gram per pound of target body weight in protein. A high protein diet is not only going to help you preserve lean muscle, but it's also going to help you stay satiated and fuller for longer periods of time. And this will allow you to stay consistent on your diet. This is one of the key components for reducing hunger levels. And this leads me to principle number 4, consistency. Now that you understand how to attain and maintain a chiseled physique year-round effortlessly, the last and most important thing is consistency. Now, to be fair, you might not be perfect all the time, but you must be consistent in these principles. If you stay consistent, you'll be able to stay in top shape all year round and never yo-yo like people on fad diets or intense but short-term plans. That is how to stay in top shape year-round, by understanding insulin levels, staying in a calorie deficit, and by eating a high-protein diet. If you want to learn more about getting into supermodel shape, subscribe to my channel and I'll be bringing out more videos just like this in the future.